Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Java left shift and right shift operators. Java left shift and right shift operators are part of bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform manipulation of individual bits of a number. Individual bits of a number means the binary representation of a number. The binary number system uses zeros and ones to represent a number. For example, decimal number 6 in binary number system is represented as 0110. These are right shift and left shift operators. Right shift operator removes the rightmost bit from a decimal number binary representation. For example, decimal number 9's binary representation is 1001. On doing right shift operation on decimal number 9 by 1 from 9's binary representation 1001, the rightmost bit, that is 1, will be removed. After removal, the remaining bits will be 100 and its decimal representation is 4. Similarly, if we do right shift operation on decimal number 9 by 2 from 9's binary representation 1001, last 2 bits will be removed, and after removal the remaining bits will be 10 and its decimal representation is 2. Left shift operator adds 0 at the end of a decimal number's binary representation. For example, if we do left shift operation on 9 by 1, then it will add a 0 at the end of 9's binary representation 1001, and after adding 0, the binary number will become 10010 and its decimal representation is 18. Similarly, if we do left shift operation on 9 by 2, then it will add 2 zeros at the end of 9's binary representation 1001, and after adding 2 zeros, the binary number will become 100100 and its decimal representation is 36. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.